Hey guys, I want you to see part of the little city park as well. They have a little walking bridge. Kind of see the little river, or the river that they have down here as well. Which is pretty cool. You got a little bench, so if you guys want to take a little quick break. Some flowers. Beautiful flowers again. A little small. I'm gonna take y'all. The park is dedicated to Ed Ty Creek Walk. Just thought I'd let you guys see that. Dedicated November 17th, 2017. So dedicated to the City Commissioner Ed Ty, whose vision and tireless effort results in the completion of the Creek Walk for the people the people in our community. I can't even get my words right. What's going on with me? Well, I just thought I'd let y'all see a little bit of this. It says, can you remember what you saw on your walk today? Well, we're getting ready to find out. It's the little duckies. We're getting close. Hope they don't attack us. Attack of the killer duck. Little ducky. Are you sunning? Are you getting hot and sunny? Uh-oh, they're getting angry. You're on camera. Don't attack the camera. Is that your girlfriend? Hey, I can't believe first time that was what we saw on the trail. And this is a long trail. And it just keeps on going and going and going. I just thought I'd let you guys see this little park. There's more ducks down there, but I don't think I want to walk down through a bunch of weeds, but there's more down there. You can see them swimming. That one's down there drinking. Gonna head on to another location, but I just thought I'd let you guys see this little walking park and the ducks. So enjoy yourself while you're here. Look at the bridge from this side. Thought I'd let you guys see the gazebo as well. As you know, we just left Sanders Park. You guys like the gazebo. See you guys shaking your tail.